y'all, it's your girl Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my family. And if you're a returning family member, welcome back. Y'all know I love when y'all come to visit. So y'all, today I will be doing a Ruffles potato chip review. And this review is going to be a collab with my brother and sister, Real Ralph and Meekaboo. So if y'all are not familiar with Real Ralph and Meekaboo, I'm gonna leave their link in my description below. Y'all get on over there, subscribe to their channel, watch their content. They a dope couple. Y'all gonna like what y'all see over there. We have chosen to do 4 different flavors of Ruffles. I know there are many other flavors of Ruffles, but we've chosen these 4. And I know some of these probably been out for a while, but some of these I haven't seen in my store, so it's a wonder I could even find them. But anyway, this flavor is lime and jalapeno, which I think is gonna be so good. This one is Flamin' Hot Cheddar and Sour Cream. Look at LeBron regular ass on the bag. This one is Ridge Twist Smoky Barbecue. And this one is Flamin' Hot Barbecue with Jason Tatum regular ass on the bag. We're gonna go on and get into these 4 flavors, okay? But before we do, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? You should have been subscribed to the channel, but I ain't gonna hold it against you. Go ahead and get over there, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn that post notification bell to all. Make sure you share my video out, leave me comments, thumbs down below, and I'd be greatly appreciative, okay? So let's go on and get into these chips here. I don't even know which ones I want to try because I like all 4 of the flavors. So I think I'm gonna leave the barbecue ones for last because I really like barbecue chips. So I'm gonna move this one over for a little piece. I think I'm gonna try the, do I want to do the jalapeno? Let me do these. The Flamin' Hot Cheddar and Sour Cream. Ruffles. So let's go on and do this one first. It smells sour cream and oniony. Or cheddar and sour creamy, I should say. It smells good. Y'all want y'all one? Y'all wash y'all hands? If y'all ain't wash y'all hands, don't stick y'all hands in my damn bag here. I'll hold you one in your hand. All right, here we go. It look flaming hot, a little piece. It don't look too bad though. That was real covered. I like these, y'all. They got a real nice flavor. The cheddar and sour cream chips always have a nice flavor anyway. I'm about to spit. But they're not too hot. Actually, they're not hot at all. They just got a little piece of a kick, but nothing terrible. So if you don't like hot foods, you can still eat these because they're not that hot. Well, they're not hot at all. All right, I'm gonna eat a couple more of this one. Okay, so these cute. I like these. They the heat don't overpower the cheddar and sour cream flavor. You can get that all through the chips. You can get a little piece of kick, but it's nothing to like write home about. It's not hot in any way, just a little bit of a kick. But they good. I like these. They real cute. Y'all go try these if y'all haven't already. That's what they are. Wait, let me see. Ruffles Flamin' Hot Cheddar and Sour Cream flavor. These cute. I like these. I actually expected them to be hotter because some of the other Flamin' Hot chips are a little hotter, but those ain't hot at all. They just got a little piece of a kick. All right, next. Woo! I'm gonna try the jalapeno and lime. That jalapeno hit me right in the nose as soon as I opened the bag. Get y'all 1 or 2. Don't eat all my damn chips. All right. So this is the lime and jalapenos. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about these. I think they're gonna be good, but I don't know. Let me see. I'm trying to figure it out, y'all. Okay, so here's the thing with these. Who the fuck? Oh, y'all, I'm tripping. Y'all see this little Negroid right here? I thought somebody was in my goddamn video. I was about to cuss them out, okay? Don't judge me, okay? Y'all know I ain't got them all. All right, so the thing about these, for me, they got a little bit more of a kick than the Flamin' Hot. Just a tad bit. That's the jalapeno creeping up and creeping in, my God. It's got a little more of a kick. If you're not a flavor of lime, you won't like these. The lime flavor in these are like very, very potent. It kind of threw me off at first when I first tasted it. I think it's because I still had the taste of those other chips in my mouth. But I'm a huge fan of lime. I love anything lime, lemon, citrus flavored, okay? My damn hell. Don't worry about it. Anyhow, if you like lime, you'll like these. If you don't like lime, don't waste your money. They give me, y'all know the Tostitos, the tortilla chips with a hint of lime. That's what these taste like to me. They just taste more potato-y. Those are tortilla chips, but they give me the same type of flavor, which I love, because those are like actually one of my favorite tortilla chips with the hint of lime. So I like these. These are cute. Now, if you don't like heat, you might want to kind of steer clear, because the jalapeno kind of creep up on you a little piece. But it's not nothing that you couldn't tolerate. But if you don't like no type of spice, don't try these. I like these. I'm gonna find me some ranch dressing and dip them off in there. That'd be good. All right, I got 2 left, y'all. Let me see. They're both barbecue flavor. Let me go on and I'm gonna do the ridges. No. I'm gonna get Jason Tatum ass out of here, because I'm not a Celtics fan. Sorry, Vickie. Vickie and my boo thing are Celtics fans, but I am not. So I'm gonna go on and get Jason's ass out of here. Now, these are much darker than the other Flamin' Hot ones. And I guess because they barbecue, so maybe that's why the color is different. But these look like they might be a little spicier, huh? Your mammy, you ragged hoe. They good, but they, I don't know. I don't think they're cute. For these, I don't feel like I get enough of the barbecue flavor. Like, I taste it, it's there, but it's like very faint to me. I don't know, when I eat a barbecue chip, I want to taste the barbecue flavor, the barbecue sauce flavor. I don't know, for these, it's just not giving it to me. I mean, they not bad, they good, but they, it's just not giving me a whole lot of barbecue. Now, I can say they are they spicy. They are, I think they spicier than the other ones. I don't know why. But, it is flaming hot too, huh? Yeah, I feel like these spicier than the other two. And I don't know if that's because I just ate them jalapeno. No, because my mouth wasn't hot when I started eating these. So I think I feel like these are spicier. So if you've not tried these, you can try them. I just like more of a barbecue flavor in my chips, and these don't give it to me. I feel the heat, but I don't taste much of the barbecue. Like, I get it, it's faint, but They good, but they not cute. The other two was cute. All right, so the last one we got. Oh, my nose itchy, Lord. Who this young lady here? She's cute. I don't know who she is. She plays for WNBA and things. Anyhow, why come for they ain't got her name on the bag? They got LeBron's regular last name and Jason's regular last name on the bag. They ain't got her. Don't worry about it. Anyway, the last one is the Ridge Twist Smoky Barbecue. So I'm hoping these give me the barbecue taste. They're a little light skin colored. I don't know. Y'all want y'all some? Go and hold your hand out. I'll pour you some in your hand. They're a little, I thought they'd be a little darker, but you know, whatever. Looks can be deceiving. These are cute. They give me more of the barbecue flavor that I wanted. I don't know if it's because it's smoky barbecue, if that makes a difference. But these are cute. They also not as hard as the regular Ruffles because they smooth. See how smooth they is, y'all? I don't know if y'all can see, but anyway. They call ridges, but they ain't got no ridges in them. I guess because they twist. I don't know. But these are cute because they give me more of the flavor that I was looking for as a barbecue chip. So y'all go try these. I actually like these more than your the cheddar ones I tried. Oh, what's her name? Is it Aja Wilson? AJ Wilson? I don't know, girl. I probably fucked up your name, but it's okay. Aja. Power forward for the Las Vegas Aces. Hey, girl. Anyhow. These are cute. I like these. Now, I would rate these out of a 10. I'd rate them a 10. These, I would give a 7. They not bad. These I would give a 9. These I would give a 10. I would give these a 10. What I said for these, I don't remember. But anyway, I'll give these a 10. Which ones I like the best out of all of them? It would be 1, 2, 3, then 4. That's how I would rate them. They all good. You know, just that barbecue one just kind of threw me off. I just thought it was going to be more of a barbecue flavor. Y'all see how messed up my hair is? Don't worry about it. It's this Florida heat and sucking my shit up. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to get up out of here. Let me get these potato chips out my throat. I have somewhere. Anyway, y'all make sure y'all get on over there and check out my brother and sis Real Ralph and Mika Boo for this snack attack. Okay, that's what we calling it, snack attack, reviewing Ruffles or flavors or something like that. Y'all, I don't know. Y'all know I'm crazy as hell. Don't be remembering shit. Anyhow, make sure y'all get on over there and check out the review by Real Ralph and Mika Boo. It's about to storm here, so I'm about to get up out of here. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, share my video out, leave me comments and thumbs down below. But most importantly, make sure that post notification bell is on. Y'all, YouTube been tripping, not sending out folks notifications. So if you're not getting my notifications, unsubscribe, resubscribe, turn the bell back to all, or just make sure it's turned to all. Just so y'all make sure y'all get my notifications, so y'all know anytime I go live or share new content. And yeah, I believe that might be it, y'all. So I'm gonna get up out of here. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching my previous video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. All right, love y'all. Peace.